How to make QR code any link, any photo website. First open your Chrome browser. When you open, search bar type TQRCG Turkish. After then search your. When you search, you find this first website. Tap on here. After then you see this option to enable tracking, create dynamic QR code. Tap on here. When you click here, you also see and find this option. Paste your link or photo document other ECT. After then, when you paste your link, left side you see this option next. Tap on next. After then tap saving. When you tap save, you also see your QR code option. After then minimize and see this option download. Click on download and easily create. After then download, easily create your scanner. Thanks for watching this video.